Let's create something easy with Feather, so you can get familiar with the app and how does it work. To start, pick the box 3D guide from the 3D guide menu below. Use the joystick to adjust the shape by scaling down with the two handles. Enable all the symmetry planes. Select the second brush and tap on the pencil button. Start drawing on the 3D guide edges. When you draw a line, keep holding your pencil and you will get a straight line. You can adjust the position of the end of the line as long as you keep holding. Add a new group and disable the X symmetry. Draw a rectangular shape. Then tap and hold on the group. Now scale it down horizontally with the joystick handle. And switch to the 3D joystick and use the green arrow to move it to the side. Add a new group, select the pencil button and disable symmetry. Tap and hold, then drag your pencil slowly to draw a circle. Tap and hold on the group to select it. Select the last brush and increase the size a little bit. Change the color to gray. Add a new group. Select the fourth brush and change the color to black. Draw a circle and keep holding your pencil to make it perfect. Draw in the middle to cover the empty spot. Now tap and hold on the group to select a circle and use the joystick to move it to the outside. Now tap on the previous group and select merge. Tap and hold on the new group, duplicate it and move it down. Add a new group and change the color and the brush and start painting. Whenever you need, you can enable the symmetry to speed up the process.